Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook password if you forget. If you forget your Facebook password, you can find your Facebook password without phone number, without email address. Don't worry. If you want to find your Facebook password, then keep watching. For finding your Facebook password, you need your Gmail account. If you have your Gmail app, click on Gmail app. If you don't have Gmail app, then open your Gmail app from Google Chrome. If you have Gmail app, click on Gmail app. After that, click on your Gmail profile. Here is Gmail profile. Look, click on Gmail profile. Here we have manage Google account. Click on manage Google account. After that, scroll left. Here we have security. Look, it is security. Click on security. Then scroll down. When you scroll down, here we have password manager. Click on password manager. After that, scroll down. Look for Facebook app. Here is facebook.com. Click on facebook.com. Here ask you, enter your password or put your finger to open this lock. I want to put my finger. Look, here is my Facebook password. If I click on I can see my Facebook password. Guys, if you find your Facebook password in this method, then share the result on the comment. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good day. See you soon.